DPP is only 2 weeks old. Do you think they can import fuel in 2 weeks? In 2 weeks? Do you think they can change the economy in 2 weeks? Let's be fair enough. Who gives birth in less than 8 days? Even chickens, ngakhala sabwe simaswa by 8 days, in the 21 days. DPP, you are blessed, and I give you all the mandate to rule. Don't listen from the Egyptians. All these Egyptians you see, you shall see them no more when you implement it.
Consider winding up. Honorable, consider winding up. Your time is out.
I know that the